Hello to everyone. So now we are going to discuss the second question of exercise 4.1. Question is, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. So we are going to represent this situation in quadratic equation as we have discussed in examples. Now the question is, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. First we are going to understand the question. Here we are just going to represent the situation mathematically. Okay. So let us discuss. Question में given क्या है? The area of rectangle plot is 528 meter square. Suppose we have a rectangle. Area किसके इक्वल होता है? Length into breadth के इक्वल होता है. That is 528 meter square. अब क्या बोल रहा है कि the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Suppose हमारे जो breadth है उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? X meter. So according to the question, the value of length is 1 more than twice its breadth. Means now if x is your breadth value, then what will be the length? That is twice of its breadth, 1 more than. Means plus 1. So what we can say, let the breadth is x meter. Then the length of rectangle is 2x plus 1 meter. Then according to question, what is given? Area. Area is 528 meter square. Now area is length into breadth, that is 128. Now length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x is equals to 528. It means we have 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. So that is your quadratic equation according to this given situation. Alright, so we are going to discuss the next part of this question. The second part of this question is, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. So we are not going to find the integer. Again, we are going to find only the quadratic equation. Now what is given? Consecutive positive integers. So what do you mean by consecutive positive numbers? Consecutive positive integers means like 3 and 4, right? 4 and 5. So here it is positive integers. Okay, so we are not going to take a negative value. Okay, so consecutive means the next value. Okay, so let us suppose that the smallest integer, because if we are going to take 3 and 4, so 3 is your smallest value and 4 is your other value, or we can say the largest value. Okay, so here let the smallest integer is x. Then the second integer is x plus 1. Now what is given? The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Okay, so according to the question, we have to take its product and that product should be equals to 306. So it implies x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So that is your required quadratic equation. So let us move to the next question. Very important question. The question is, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So here we are just going to represent mathematically. Okay. So let us suppose Rohan's age, that is x years, and then its mother's age will be, because she is older than him. So क्या हो जाएगी value? X plus 26. And what is given? the product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. Means after 3 years. Now if his age is x years, then after 3 years of his age and his mother's age is 360. Okay. Let Rohan's present age is x years. So Rohan's mother age is x plus 26 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age, if its present age is x years, then after 3 years it will be x plus 3 years. And similarly, Rohan's mother's age is x plus 26 plus 3. Means present age is x plus 26 and after 3 years it will be x plus 29 years. Now according to the question, the product of their ages after 3 years, that is x plus 3 and x plus 29 is 360. Okay, now we have to just multiply this one. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 into 3. That is 87 is equals to 360. So we have x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equals to 0. So the required equation is x square plus 32x minus 273 is equals to 0. So that's the quadratic equation that suits the particular this situation. So now we are going to discuss the last part of this question number 2. Very important question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Let speed of the train is x km per hour. Now it is given that if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, मीन्स अगर तो आपकी स्पीड कितनी है x किलोमीटर पर आवर है ओके और अगर हमारी क्या है स्पीड रिड्यूस हो जाती है 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर फ्रॉम x देन इट विल टेक 3 hours मोर टू कवर द सेम डिस्टेंस. अब अगर उसकी स्पीड कितनी है x किलोमीटर पर आवर है तो वो कितने डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है 480 किलोमीटर कवर कर रही है. अगर उसकी स्पीड क्या हो रही है 8 किलोमीटर कम है इवन दो वो डिस्टेंस 480 किलोमीटर ही ट्रैवल कर रही है. एज वी नो द स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम और वी कैन से टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस ओवर स्पीड. नाउ इट इज गिवन द train takes 3 hours more if its speed reduced by 8 km per hour. Now distance both the trains will cover same, that is 480 km. It means according to the question time is 3 hours, right? Now how we can write for both the trains difference, that is 480 over x minus 8 and 480 by x. X minus 8 means it will take more time as compared to the 480 by x and we are going to take its difference because it is given it will take 3 hours more. Okay, if this train cover a distance in 1 hour then this train will cover the same distance by 4 hours because it will take 3 hours more. Okay, so that is the reason we are writing it as 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equals to 3. Now we are going to just solve this equation. Now let us take the LCM. So LCM is x into x minus 8. Okay, and 480 we can take common. So it will be x minus 8 is equals to 3. So we can cancel x with x. 480 into 8 is equals to 3x x minus 8. Or we can write it as 3x square minus 24x is equals to 480 into 8 is 3840. Or we can write 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equals to 0. And we can take 3 as common. So we have x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. So that is your required quadratic equation. So in the next video, we will discuss the next examples of exercise 4.2, and also we are going to discuss the exercise 4.2 questions. And if you understand this concept, then like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.